Rufus again. I just popped in to tell you the Eco-Rubber Edenvale family is very excited. Our cousins have decided to join us. This means we are serving both the Edenvale and Alberton as well as the surrounding areas. Imagine that. Both Edenvale and Alberton homeowners will experience our innovative technology and our world-class service. Both branches will offer you the best roofing services in the area you live in. But don't take my word for it. Speak to the bosses Chris and Jeremy, and they will confirm what I'm saying. Oh, one more thing before I get back to work. Do you know why buying your DIY roofing requirements from us is the best thing you can do? Because where else would a salesman have the experience and time to explain to you how to apply the product so you don't have to redo the job? That's right. We take the time to explain to you what you have to do to experience the best results. We don't leave you hanging, so pop in and speak to us. Okay, that's me finished. Now you know everything you need to know about who, why and the how of getting your roof repaired. Stick around, I'm going to show you a sneak peek of our celebration later. Flex, my cousin, has already started without us.
Never know how much I love you. You never know how much I care. Oh, when you put your arms around me, I get the feeling that I just can't bear. You give me fever. When you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, fever through the night.
Contact Chris or Jeremy now on 011 452 1052 or use their mobile numbers listed on the screen.